What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara GI. We're back with another video. So today we're working with Unice Hair, and this is just everything that came inside of the package when you do receive your hair. Now I am putting on this little wig cap. I just did a little braid down, but we're not doing a bald cap because I'm not using any harsh glues or anything like that. So I just like to stretch my cap out first and then put it on my head, and then I'm gonna go ahead and with my makeup and just put that all over the bald cap. The hair that I am working with today is their 24-inch 7x5 by Byebyeknots and Water Wave, and it is 180 density. Now this unit is Byebyeknots, so the lace is already cut. It's already pre-bleached. Everything is already done for you. One thing that I really like about this unit is this drawstring. You can make it how tight and how loose, however you want it. Your wig is not going to come off whatsoever. You also have that adjustable strap on the wig as well as a drawstring, so the wig is not going anywhere. This is what it looks like when you put it on your head. This is no glue, no anything, and you can literally walk out the door with this if you would like. But y'all know me, I be liking to, put my little twist on it. So I am going to add a little spray. At first I was gonna do some glue, but I realized that the spray really works because I just did not want to have any issues because I am in Jamaica, and wearing a wig in Jamaica, I'm like, oh, I need wig glue, I need this, that. But actually the spray was just fine. But I'm just giving you guys a close-up of what everything looks like as I am prepping this unit with my hot comb, just so y'all can see the details and everything and how everything looks. Now this is a everything done for you unit, so like I said before, you don't have to use any glue, but I am going to be using a little spray adhesive. I went in with my skin tint, like my skin protectant first, and put it on my skin. At first I thought that I was gonna have to use glue, but as you guys can see, I quickly just did my spray instead and did the blow dryer. I did like 2 rounds of spray and then put the blow dryer on, and that was fine. And as you guys are about to see, that spray works very good because the lace and stuff was not lifting at all after I did it. When I pulled it, this is my little cousin just getting in the way, just being in the way, being annoying like little cousins always do. But as you guys see, I was pulling it, it wasn't going anywhere, so I was very satisfied about that. One thing that I would recommend when you are working with this Byebyeknots is, like, I would recommend cutting like the little ripple part, because it does kind of show some time, but it does blend very well. But just like cutting the little ripples off really gives it that really good effect on there. And as you guys can see, I just added a little bit more of the spray just so that those ripple parts can like be laid down a little bit. And then I'm taking my elastic band and putting it over it and just blow drying that a little bit on a cool setting. So after I took that off, I'm going back in with my hot comb, just making everything very flat before we do these baby hairs. Now for the baby hairs, I didn't want to do nothing too crazy, just a quick little 1-2, as you guys are gonna see me do, just like the 2 baby hairs in the front. That's all I really wanted to do, so you guys are going to see me do that. I'm just taking out as much hair as I want and cutting them. I didn't really pluck too much. I really plucked only a little bit, but I really couldn't see because I was recording this like right in front of the camera. So you guys are seeing me doing this like right in front. I had a mirror in front of me, but I really couldn't see like that. So I had to kind of go off camera and pluck just a little bit, but I really didn't even pluck that much. But after I took out the hair that I wanted, I did go in and put my elastic band back on just so everything could be double melted. And then I went in with my black spray and I'm taking my makeup just to define that part a little more. You really don't have to do this, but y'all know I am like a perfectionist. I want my outcome to be exactly how I want it. Like for beginners, you can throw this on, do a little hot comb and you'll be fine. But for somebody who actually wants to master wigs and stuff like that, this is actually a perfect wig for you too, because everything's already done, so you can just focus on the other parts of the installing process that you do really want to focus on, like the making sure everything's flat with your hot comb, or even practicing your baby hairs or anything like that. But as you guys can see, I'm just taking some leave-in conditioner and some water and I'm spraying the hair just so you guys can see the true natural curls of the hair. I really love these curls. This wig is an easy throw on and go unit. Like I installed this wig probably like 4 times. Since I worn it, I put it in the side part, I put it in the middle part, I did a whole bunch of different type of stuff with it. So this is a perfect go, like grab and go type unit. I'm going back in with some mousse, just following it up on the hair, and you guys can see this is the true water wave texture of this unit, and it is very cute. The curls are definitely popping. And as you guys can see, the curls from the back, everything is just looking very cute. Juicy curls, you already know everything looks real good. So we're taking that band off and I'm just going back in with my hot comb, just making everything flat before we go ahead and do the baby hairs. Now for the baby hairs, I just curled them with my little straightener, and then I'm just gonna go in. I used some extreme gel and I followed it with some spray to dry it. But I eventually had got me some Got To Be gel because I didn't bring any gels with me because I am in Jamaica, so I forgot my gel, so I had to go get me some Got To Be gel, and that's basically what I've been using. But you can use extreme gel with the spray to lock it in like I'm doing, and this will give you the same result as well. This was just an alternative that I was doing, but as you guys can see, everything's still laid very good. And I just like to go over with my little rat tail comb and just making sure everything is laid down while I have the blow dryer on it at a cool setting. And this is the final result of the hair in the middle part. It's very cute. I really love the outcome. Unice Hair always has really good throw on type units, so I really wasn't like shocked or anything, or I wasn't surprised that the unit was easy to put on. Like Unice Hair, they just make a whole bunch of units like this. They have so many units like this, so y'all already know. The description box is down below with all the information for you guys to purchase this unit. But this was like a week later I reinstalled it because, as you guys can see, the baby hairs look a little different, and I had to end up taking out more because I had put it in the side part, kind of messed up baby hairs, but it still looks really good. So I'm just showing you guys some other styles. This is like this little claw clip style. You can use a claw clip, but I just really like this clip, and I have been wearing my hair like this when I was wearing the unit when I didn't feel like having my hair out because it is very hot in Jamaica. And having that drawstring in the back that I showed you guys earlier definitely made a big difference. It definitely kept the wig secure, so I knew the wig was not going anywhere. So that drawstring and elastic band definitely does what it needs to do. And then I also did try a half up, half down, as you guys are about to see. Now this is a 7x5, so you get like a minimal amount of space. You get more space than a traditional closure, but it's not from ear to ear like a frontal. So I did want to show you guys a half up, half down that you can achieve with still having a minimal amount of space, but you do have a decent amount of space for this being a closure because it is a 7x5. So I just took up, you know, a little bit of the hair and I put it in this little scrunchie, and it was actually a really cute half up, half down. Like I was really feeling it. Like it was so cute. And also the new drawstring attachment that I showed you guys before that I keep raving about. It definitely makes the wig tighter and it helps fit on your head, so when you do styles like this, it will come out so cute. So this is the final look of this hair. I really love that I could put it in half up, half down. I could wear it in the side part, middle part, up, do whatever you want to do. And it's very, very secure, like I said before, because you don't have to wear glue. You really don't have to, but if you want to, you can. There is many options with this hair. And like I said, it's so beginner friendly because you're not even working with an ear-to-ear lace, and you have so much versatility on it. And as you guys can see, those curls, like, it's just so cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed. Babies, we out.